Okay, so this is the first coat of flat protective enamel, sorry, superior coverage and durability. So yeah, so this is the first. What I did, I taped the helmet, the pieces that I don't want to get paint. Last minute I placed this inside because I was getting paint inside. My recommendation would be tape plastic in here. I'm not too worried about the inside because it gets covered by all this stuff, but the chin straps is still there, so I cover it with this so you don't get too much on it. If I get any, I'll probably try to remove it or something. So I taped the bottom, tape this right here, the Harley Davidson logo, the covers right here, and the tiny holes in the back too. It is 4 of them, so they got covered too. So that's the first step, and I'm gonna let it dry for 15-20 minutes, and then we'll grab it to do a second coat. I was trying to do it on this board, but I don't think it's a good idea. Next time I'll probably have something like a tube, something like a tripod. I think it'll be a better idea, so I can get the bottom better. Sadly, looks like the bugs like it too, and I had a bug right there, so I'll just wait to dry and then I'll try to remove that. That's the issue of painting it here outside by the grass. But okay, so we'll do that, and then we'll get with the other coats. I'll try to find a tripod, see if I can put it on a tripod maybe. Okay, thanks for watching. I will continue the video. Okay, so we did the last layer. We did 3 coats. And this is how it looks. So now we're gonna remove the tape while still drying. She's coming back.